Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this simple, easy, delicious chicken cordon bleu casserole. Stay tuned. So to make this chicken cordon bleu casserole, and we're going to make it a little bit healthier, so we're not going to bread and fry the chicken. So instead, I cleaned the chicken breast and just sliced it and put it in the bottom of my casserole dish. Now I have about a half to 3/4 of a pound of Black Forest ham that I just cut up into smaller pieces, and I'm going to put that all over my chicken. I did use 3 big chicken breasts, so maybe about 2 pounds of chicken, I would say. And we're just going to cover all the chicken with the ham. You could use any ham you want. Then I have I actually opened up 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. And I added 1 can of water and stirred that really good with my whisk. And now I'm just going to put that over my chicken and my ham pieces. As you can see, I really pulled apart that ham and put it all over the chicken. So you just want to make sure you get all of that condensed soup all over your chicken breast and your Black Forest ham. You can use any ham you want. I happen to like the flavor of Black Forest ham, so that's why I use the Black Forest. You can use a smoked ham, you can use a honey ham, whatever you'd like. So just make sure you get all of that condensed soup all over your chicken. The next step is to cover your entire casserole dish with tin foil. You want to make it nice and tight, because you want to keep your chicken nice and juicy. You do not want it drying out. And I'm trying to do it with one hand, but I do get it nice and tight. And I have my oven set for 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake it for 40 minutes, and I'll show you what's next. Okay, so it's been 40 minutes. And I just took this out of the oven, and it is piping hot. Chicken looks nice and tender. And see how loose the gravy got? It's not thick anymore. Just want to taste a piece of this ham. So good. Now I have Swiss cheese here. And I'm just going to lay. Now if you wanted to make this Weight Watcher really friendly, you can use a fat-free chicken gravy. You can use a low-fat ham, a fat-free Swiss cheese. But I've been very off track. That's why I haven't done a video, my friends. They had a surprise birthday party for me, my 60th, on Saturday at a big hall, like a whole big thing. Family came from Colorado, Florida, Syracuse, New York. Like, it was insane. And, yeah, and I've been just messing up ever since, so I said, you know what, I'll have to get back on track after the holidays, because I just have way too much going on, and I don't have time to cook my food, blah, 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 blah. I know, excuses, I'm sorry. But anyhow, so now I'm going to stick this back in my 350 degree oven, but I'm not going to cover it. I'm going to throw away the tin foil. And I'm going to let this cheese get nice and melty and a little bit brown and bubbly on top. Then I'll show you how I'm going to... Okay, so I have some nice string beans on my plate over here. And we're just going to put some of this chicken with the beautiful Swiss cheese and the gravy and the ham. Look at that, you guys. I mean, it's a little bit better than breading the chicken and frying it, but still with the Swiss cheese and the cream of soup, it's still very high in points, so I'm not considering this a Weight Watchers meal by any means. But It is delicious, and I just wanted to share it with you because this is what I was making for my husband for dinner tonight. And of course, I'm going to eat this plate. I'm going to make him either mashed potatoes or rice or noodles on the side. I'm not going to have any of that. But yeah, this is a fast and easy, simple way to make a delicious chicken cordon bleu casserole. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you all next time in the next video. And everybody have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.